Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by cutting power and grounding yourself. Static kills components. Next, unplug display cables and swap to a known good cable and port to rule out simple faults. While the system is off, remove and reseat the GPU and its 6/8-pin power cables. Loose pins are a common cause of a black screen. Once done, reconnect power and try to boot. If you still see nothing, you've eliminated basic cable and seating issues and are ready for deeper steps. If reseating didn't fix it, boot using safe mode or an integrated GPU so you can access the operating system. This isolates the GPU from display output. Use display driver uninstaller. This to remove corrupted drivers fully, then install the newest OEM driver for your card. Next, update the motherboard BIOS/UEFI because outdated firmware can break GPU initialization. While there, inspect PCIe slot settings and lane speeds. Doing this addresses software and firmware mismatches that often cause blank displays. For final verification, swap the GPU into another working PC or install a known good card into your machine. This definitively separates GPU failure from PSU or motherboard issues. Monitor temperatures and PSU voltages during attempts and watch post LEDs or beep codes for targeted errors. If the GPU fails in both systems or symptoms persist, prepare for RMA. Otherwise, replace underpowered or faulty PSUs and bad cables. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent black screens occur, log events and try a higher quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.